Today we're gonna do a Christmas slime challenge! Hi, I'm Girls with Heart Ambassador Jasmine, and this is my little sister, Bella. Hi guys! Today we're gonna do a Christmas slime challenge! And I'm gonna be making some red traditional Christmas colored slime. And I'm gonna do some blue, light blue, with Christmas Wonderland. Yeah, Winter Wonderland slime. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. The way this challenge works is we're each going to be making our own slimes, and then you guys are going to be the judges and comment down below which slime you like better at the end. So the first step is going to be to add in your glue, and you can add as little or as much as you want, but we're just going to add half of this glue bottle. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. I think that's good. The next step is to add in your paint. Right, Sissy? Yeah, and I'm going to be using some red metallic paint. And I'm going to be using blue metallic paint. Okay, so we're going to start off with 2 drops and we'll see if that's good, but you can always add more later. Ooh, mine looks good. 1 and 2. Looks perfect. And now we're gonna mix it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's turning so pretty. Mine too. So now it's time for glitter, our favorite part. And the first glitter I'm gonna be adding in is my green Christmas trees, and they're so Christmassy. And I have these cute little tiny snowflakes. They're so pretty. Okay, ready? Let's add them in. I'm not going to add all of them because I don't want it to be full. I'm going to put another them because it's so tiny. Okay, so the next step is to add in your second glitter, and I'm going to be adding in this pretty white shimmery glitter. And I'm going to be putting in this blue woolly sparkly glitter. Okay, so let's add it in. Okay. This is so pretty, guys. I have to put in a little bit too. It looks like snow. I'm gonna put in the last glitter. And I'm gonna be using some gold glitter. And I'm gonna be using some silver glitter. Yeah. Okay, so let's add it in. Ooh, this is gonna be so beautiful. This is how mine looks before. This is how mine looks like before. Now it's time to add in an activator. And today we're going to be using some contact solution and baking soda. And you can just eyeball it, just don't add too much because then you'll overactivate it. But don't add too little because that'll be a sticky mess. Now it's time to mix it in. Okay, ready? I'm so excited. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't wait to see it turn into slime. And remember to stay tuned so you can see which one you like better at the end. Wow, I love my color of my blue slime. Yeah, and I love the color of my red slime. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is how my slime turned out. It's really stretchy and pokey. And this is how mine turned out. It's really pokey. It is very pokey. I'm going to try to do a quick slime bubble for you guys. Okay, ready? Whoa! It's so big! Can you guys see the little Christmas trees in my slime? They're so pretty. And remember to subscribe to Justice for more awesome Justice videos.